Hey everyone! Welcome back to Zubair Creative Studio, your go-to place for creativity, tech, and design. I'm Zubair, and today I'm excited to show you something incredible: how to use Canva's AI Video Generator to make stunning videos in just minutes. No editing skills? No problem. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or clients, Canva's AI can turn your ideas into pro-level videos with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Canva has launched a powerful AI tool that helps you create videos just by typing your idea. It uses artificial intelligence to turn text into a video, adding stock footage, music, text animation, and transitions, all in seconds. Here's how to use Canva AI Video Generator. Go to canva.com and log in, or sign up free. Search for AI Video Generator or go to Apps and find Magic Media and click on it. Now choose Videos. Enter your video idea or script, for example, 5 tips for growing on Instagram. Canva will automatically generate a full video. You can fully customize it, change clips, music, fonts, colors, everything. And yes, you can even add voiceovers. This tool is perfect for content creators, teachers and coaches, business owners, freelancers offering video services. It saves time, looks professional, and requires zero video editing experience. Want to make money with it? Use Canva to create AI videos for clients on Fiverr or Upwork. There's a big demand for simple explainer videos, reels, and business promos. Easy money. So that's how you can create stunning videos using Canva's AI Video Generator. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Zubair Creative Studio, and drop your thoughts in the comments. More AI tools and creative hacks coming soon. Thanks for watching.